97% of Americans have cell phones. Acronym and our convention today supports and represents the other 3%. We have 3 goals. First, to show like-minded people that they aren't alone. B, to help people assemble the tools necessary for this cell-free life. And thirdly, and most importantly,
I'm Sara Carpenter, and this is my 2nd week on the job, and I am responsible for selling tickets for the annual acronymed convention.
How many tickets have you sold?
2. One is Gareth, and the other one is his mom.
I'm B. Blevins, and I've been Gareth's mother for 32 years.
Has Gareth ever owned a cell phone?
Gareth owned a cell phone? Who would he call? Me?
I'm 32 years old, and I've never owned or operated a cell phone. I have a landline, and I have the same answering machine since 1982. And I function like any normal member of society.
Well, he's always found ways to communicate, though. I mean, one time I bought him a box of walkie-talkies. He never even took them out. He said, "Mom, all I need is 2 tin cans and a ball of string."
What's it like working with Gareth? You ever try working with someone who doesn't have a cell phone? It's like jerking off with Crisco. You can't ever get a hold of him.
What is acronym?
American Citizens for the Reduction of Noisy Mobile Devices. Founded in 1926 by Dr. Julius Zirk, a brilliant visionary. He looked beyond the conveniences and expediencies of these mobile devices, and he saw cell phones for what they really are, cancer-causing devices, not only in our brains, but in our souls. At Acronym, we have a saying, be cell-less or be soulless. A cell-free lifestyle is not an inconvenience. How can you enjoy a book in the park when you're constantly at the beck and call of your cell phone? Is an equestrian a true man of nature with a cell phone in his pocket? The Egyptians didn't need cell phones to build the pyramids. All they needed was an inexhaustible supply of free labor and their alien overlords. I always carry one of these around with me, my communication, utilities, and networking toolkit. Everyone at the convention will get their own sack.
Look, in this day and age, it's all about communication. I'm connected instantly to friends, colleagues, Craigslist tours, my kids. Without all these cell phones, laptops, face space, my twit, I'd be totally alone.
Did you just call me a Craigslist whore?
That's where we met.
I am a licensed massage therapist.
So no, I'm not going to the convention. I'm gonna start my own convention for people who still can't believe they're assholes without fucking cell phones.
I'm trying to think. I guess it would be nice to have a conversation without being interrupted. I mean, maybe cell phones that... Hiya. Oh, no, nothing important. I'm just sitting at work. What? Oh my God. Oh my God, shut up. Oh my God, shut up.
Cell phones are the leading cause of the alienation so many people feel today. And we're not even going to talk about how they're killing all the bees. Cell phones are oxymorons. They make you available 24/7, but they take all the human touch out of communication. They make you feel without really feeling, talk without talking. hear without really listening. Really, Mom? Really?
Do you need a cell phone?
Do I need a cell phone? Let me tell you, all a woman needs are these. Can an app get you free drinks? Can a cell phone get a full page spread in your senior yearbook? An iPhone can't be your second form of ID at the BMV. These can. Most guys will settle for a boob. All you need is one with these. The chef needs a head count.
Oh, I'll text him. Well, no one showed up this year. Not even our keynote speaker, Dr. Zirk. I wasn't able to get a hold of him, but that's okay. The message is getting out slowly, like snail mail or carrier pigeons or smoke signals. I'm not going anywhere, except maybe to the park to read my book.